야, 난 달리치 못해. 무슨 자가라. 자. 맞아, 신. 자식들이.
Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome everyone to the University of Northern Ireland and the Albert Mundo Performing Arts Center to honor and commence the creation of Intaka San Dog in conjunction with a visit by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet on May 18. You're deeply honored by the gospel among the keepers of Buddhist knowledge. He is a natural place. He is today an instructor at the University of Arkansas, where in 2007 he helped found the Tibetan Cultural Institute of Arkansas. In 2008, Geshe received the prestigious University of Arkansas Outstanding Faculty Award from the University of Arkansas Associated Student Government and the Arkansas Alumni Association. Please welcome, I should say, please welcome back Geshe Thupten Dorji.
Before I speak, you can get a copy here and also my speech too. And thank you, President Ireland. It is an honor for me to speak today. In 1988, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama allowed Sacred Sangha to present public as cultural offering and demonstration of ancient Tibetan literature and art form. We are very fortunate to have 2 monks in my cell from Yudhi Monastery. 2 monks are in Kyrgyzstan and next to Belgium, and the other one is back there, Chamak. He is Chamaturjan, he is Bauta from Yudhi Monasteries. Yudhi Monastery is one of the most famous monasteries in Tibet. Specialized study, tantric meditation, tantric literature, and balance of sacred energy in the body in killer light dimension of the mind. You can understand the model as 2 dimension representation of 3 dimension
The Tibetan months getting started, we thought on behalf of the Tibetan students, we're here to present to you a small Tibetan song which we normally sing in praise of the Dalai Lama. We look up to His Holiness as our caretaker, as our guide, and someone who has provided refuge, love, and care to so many Tibetan people in exile and Tibetans back in Tibet as well. So this is a song for His Holiness Dalai Lama. And with me, person on the guitar is Tenzin. He's the Vice President of the Tibetan Students Organization. Yeah.